Yo, what up guys, welcome back to my channel after maybe I don't know, yes, 1 month or 2 months. Welcome back to my channel. It's Tanzzy vlog. So as I say, yes, especially I came with, you can see here what I'm wearing today. You can see 11, and here's the O, the teddy bear holding the O. 11O, yes, it's my first drop of 11O. So yes, so this is just a sample. It's a sample material. So yes, I'm wearing the sample today. You can see the size is XL. Excited to drop this, but there's still the work is going on. I'm not satisfied with this print yet. So yes, so still the print is gonna come maybe next month, so stay tuned for the 11O. So this is just a teaser of the 11O I'm wearing today. So you can see here the tag, the XL tag I'm wearing on the top of the essential sweatpant. Yes, so basically, yes, I'm just dropping this t-shirt. Maybe your arco basic tee which have only of 11O on the left part, which is not gonna be the print, it's gonna be the embroidery. There's an embroidery like of the embroidery. So I just made like 3 or 4 samples of the 11O. So I have in the black as well, black mabanza. I have the 11O. You can see here 11O. Yes, and I made the custom made, yes, the original tag of 1102. So here's the original tag of 11O as well. Yes man, you can see the, yes, many work have been done. Yes, it's all, yes, and this is size is, you're saying L size, L size. Yes, I'm not sure I'm gonna drop in black, white or other colors as well, right? So yes, it's just all sample I'm gonna show you guys today. And yes, we have in the orange color as well. So orange, you can see here. So yes, the print gonna be changed. I'm not satisfied. म चाहिँ यो print सँग त्यति satisfied छैन. So yes, I made other samples. So everything's gonna be on online. Yes, everything's gonna be in online. So you can buy from online, from the 11O Instagram. You can check out my Instagram here. I'm gonna put the Instagram here, or maybe the link down below. So check out 11O. Support me guys, support me. Yes, okay, so mainly the video is gonna be about my brand 11O, and today's sneaker unboxing video of, yes, I have said in my Instagram as well, Jordan 1 Co Hyper Royal. So I have 2 pairs. You can see the sign. Yes, it's unboxed it. I have 2 pairs. One is 28 and other size is, it's gonna be 26. It's kind of small for me. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna keep that to 26.5%. Maybe I'll just keep it, or yes, I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna sell, or just I don't know. So let's unbox from the small size, I guess. So okay, unbox it. So here comes the first pair. So here's the normal black box with the red Nike logo, and you get some paperwork. If you want to return or everything, you can do it from this paper. So yes, we don't need this paper, let's just throw it away. So let's open the box. Let's open the fucking box, mate. Okay, so you can see here first there's a blue lace, and ta-da! Yes, you can see here the Hyper Royal blue. Yes, the first pair. I think it's the first pair is the size. I'm not sure which size it is. Oh, actually, this one is 28 size. This is my size, so you can see here the Hyper Royal. It looks like a jeans, or like, I'm not sure. It's like jeans जस्तै देखिन्छ. Yes, the fade color, the blue fade blue color. You can see here. Yes, you get the extra lace, blue lace. Yes, ma. And normally they have the, I think they have the white one too. It's white lace. So the details are so fucking good. Everything, the details. You can see here the colorway is really hype. Yes, you can see here blue one. Definitely, yeah, I'm gonna rock these on summer. Yes, you can see here. Underneath, the sole are kind of like, it's the gray color, gray sole. It's perfect for summer color. You can rock on these sweatpants. Yes, sweatpants, shorts, and inner way is made in China. The fabric, and they have the cool stuff inside as well. I'm gonna show you inside here. Nike Air logo. Yes, if it's not like Nike Air, I'm not gonna fuck with the Jordan 1. Like if you have the Jordan logo, yes, that's just like lame. That's just ugly. Yes, so the Jordan 1 with the Nike Air is the best. Yes, it looks cool. Then the Jordan mid. Yes, so this is why it's really hype to get than the mid. So here's the first pair, 28. So let's unbox another one. So here's the another pair, Nike suits, same box like the one. There's same box here. And let's open this. Yes, the smaller one, 26.5, Japanese size, 26.5, same as the first one. Extra lace, blue lace. Okay, so here's the blue lace, the inner view. Yes, you get the white lace inside here. I think normally saying white नै राम्रो हुन्छ in this colorway, but if you like want to change the looks, you can put the blue lace as well, but yes, I won't fuck with this white lace. So yes, so another one here is the, yes, it's kind of small, so definitely use मेरो size right now, so I can wear these shoes. So maybe, yeah, if you guys want these shoes, comment down below your size. So maybe I'm gonna sell this to the Instagram or anything, I'm not sure, or maybe I'm gonna keep these shoes. So guys, let's do both shoes. The colorway, it's fucking dope. I've never seen this colorway. It's like faded, the jeans जस्तै, jeans jacket को fade color type को, which is bleached. Look like it's bleached. Yes, so two different sneaker size but same. Yes, the sole is also like awesome with the gray sole. So definitely, yes, the best like cool sneaker for of 2021 Jordan. So yes, so this is the Hyper Royal Jordan 1. So definitely check out. I'm gonna put the link below if you want to buy some shoes. Yes, so the price is going up, guys, as well. So yes, so that was the Jordan 1 go Jordan 1 go Royal, Hyper Royal. Yes, and you saw this t-shirt 11.0 coming soon, guys. Stay tuned, support me. Yes, always thank you for supporting my channel. Yes, let's make this channel to 1K. So hit that subscribe button and make sure, don't forget to hit that like button for my algorithm. So yes, if you hit the like button, yes, my video is gonna go up and get noticed. So please support me and go to my Instagram and go to my 11.0 Instagram and follow and support Tanzzy gang. Yes, peace.
Crossed a million off my checklist 3 years ago. Add 2 zeros to the one